Hello students, I am Raman Arora from SR International. My dear students, we are doing economics of class 11th and we have completed first chapter of microeconomics, that is introduction. My dear students, today we are moving on the second thing, that is statistics. We have discussed that there are two things, microeconomics as well as statistics. So today we are moving to the statistics portion, and in that portion, as I told you, there will be a very important chapter, measure of dispersion. So when we talk about measure of central tendency. In your 10th class in mathematics, you could have studied many things about measure of central tendency, but let's make it more better. In measure of central tendency, my dear students, there will be three things which we will study. One will be the mean, then there will be the median, and then there will be the mode. Please make one thing very clear. This is called as mathematical average. Mathematical average. That is called as positional average, and this is also called as positional average, which simply means that this we are supposed to calculate in a quantitative manner, that is mean. On the other hand, median and mode only tells us about the position in the series. ये आपको बेटा एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वैल्यू देते हैं अबाउट द सीरीज, सेंट्रली रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वैल्यू, एंड दिस median and mode will tell you about the positional value about the series. So we talk about, this is the measure of central tendency. Now today we are starting a chapter called mean. Before starting it, we should know that what are the series in which we are supposed to calculate the mean. So first series, if I'm talking about, will be considered as the individual series. My dear students, when I talk to you about the individual series, then it means that there are only items. Suppose that the marks. Suppose there are 5 students in the class, and of those 5 students, the marks are 10, 12, 25, 30 and 42. And now they are asking you to calculate the mean of the following series. Now this series will be considered as the individual series because there are no frequencies. The most important point is, इसको बच्चों individual series इसलिए कहेंगे because we don't find any frequencies here. There are only marks, means items are given, and in the individual series we can use two methods. One could be considered as the direct method, and second will be considered as the shortcut method. Okay, when I talk about the direct method, take this series only. The first and the foremost thing is to convert in the ascending order. Please make this thing very clear. It is not necessary, but if you will make it in the ascending order, it will be helpful for you while doing the shortcut method. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the excess. Suppose that is, it is already in the ascending order, so 10, 12, 15, 30 and 42. So when I talk about the formula for mean according to direct method, it is very simple, summation of x upon n. So when we do the summation of x, we have 22, 32, 37, 67, 107, 109. My dear students, there will be the marks for presentation also, so please remember the marks should be given for presentation. Presentation should be good. So 109 is the summation of x, and there are 5 numbers, so that is 21.8 is the mean. Now whatever mean we have got by the direct method, definitely the same mean we will be getting by the shortcut method. So let's go by the shortcut method. Again we write the series, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have the x, my dear, that is 10, 12, 15, 30 and 42. We always try to take assume mean here, and assume mean should be taken from the mid of the series. So the formula for calculating by shortcut method, please write down assume mean plus, बेटा इसको sigma मत बोलना, now it is summation. summation of deviation upon n. So when I talk about this, first of all we calculate the deviations here, and when we start calculating the deviations will be calculated at this minus 5, minus 3, 0, 15 and 7 and 27. Clear? Now do one thing here, ऐसे आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो minus 8 sum of it, and you can calculate 30, 30 and 42 here, and at the end calculate the summation of deviation which is required here. Summation of deviation. So 42 minus 8, when you will do, it will become 34. So we got 34 as the sum of the deviation, as due mean was how much? 15. Summation of deviation was how much? 34, and n we have as 5. So 15 plus, and that will be what? 6.8. So when we add this, we got 21.8, and you can see that by the direct method we got the mean as 21.8, and by the shortcut method also we got the mean by 21.8. So this is the best way to check your answer if you do it by both the ways. So in the basic part is the first part we have done. We have started individual series. First of all, you should recognize the question is from the individual series. Right now, as you are in 11th class, you have done these things in 10th class, so you could be thinking this is very simple. My dear students, right now we are doing individual, then we will do discrete, then we will do continuous, then we will do cumulative. Cumulative will be of two types. Then we will do mid value series, then we will be doing inclusive series, combined mean, corrected mean, then locate the missing frequency. So my mode is not to say you that get frightened. I want to tell you people that please go in a systematic manner, so that while writing the formulas, while attempting the question, you should not feel that it's very difficult and you're getting confused. Fine, we will have, after looking to this video, I'll give you certain questions to you for practice, and 2 to 3 questions when you will do for practice, then we will move to the discrete series. Thank you. Have a nice day. Still, if you have any query, please do ask. Thank you.